I'm gonna attempt to orchestrate a little piano theme in just 30 minutes, and I invite you to join me. The rules for today's challenge go like this. You have 3 minutes to create the main melody using horns and cellos. Then we'll spend 10 minutes adding in a string ostinato, which will provide a rhythmic and harmonic backbone. Then we will spend 5 minutes adding in some low brass braaams, 7 minutes adding in some percussion, and finally we'll spend another 5 minutes fixing up. You're welcome to join me in this challenge. All you have to do is create a little piano sketch and load up these instruments that I mentioned in your DAW. If you want to just watch and get inspired, you're obviously welcome to do that. I usually edit out the messy parts to keep this engaging and interesting to watch. Now let's get composing. 3 minutes for the horns and cello melody. And that is starting right now. I gave myself only 3 minutes because I was going to copy and paste. But let's listen to the sketch first of all. It's a bit messy. Okay, that's enough for now. Let's try to Okay, time's up. That was just a little bit of quantizing and copying and pasting. Let's get on to the next part, which will be much more interesting because we have to create a little string ostinato. If you're doing this together with me, you're welcome to pause the video right now, take the 10 minutes to create the string ostinato, and get back here. Are you ready? 10 minutes for string ostinato, and that's starting right now. I'm thinking of a high ostinato because the melody's low. Will give us a nice separation. Maybe something like that. Yeah, that's better. I'm not sure about that. Well, maybe we'll fix it later. Let's get some double basses with this. Okay, something like that. Yeah, went a little bit overboard there. Let's see what happens in our next 5 minutes of adding in the brass braaams. Remember, pause the video, do it yourself, come back. Let's do it. 5 minutes for brass braaams. And that's starting right now. Okay, I got the slow brass patch here. Maybe I should have done this before. I would have had an easier time with the harmony. But yeah, let's do it now. Okay, a lot of mistakes there. Let's fix it now. Maybe I should double these by the octave so that maybe this needs to go to the trumpet. Right, this is too high for this. Yeah, this is trumpet range already. Something like that. All right, out of time. This is not an easy challenge, but that's the point. Trying to push myself out of my comfort zone. I'm hoping I'm doing the same to you. I think that's the best way to learn new stuff. You gotta be in the learning zone where we're not used to being, and then we develop new capabilities. Okay, on to percussion. By the way, this is the 5th video in a series in which I create a track from scratch. So check out the previous videos if you haven't done so yet. I will link to them in the description. Let's create some percussion in 7 minutes. Starting right now. Okay, I'm thinking some low toms. I think we've got that here. Low toms, E and F. All right. Okay, not really sure about that sound, but yeah. Add in some timpani as well. Okay, some mistakes there, but let's fix them. Okay, I think I've got something going on. It is a bit messy. Let's take the last 5 minutes to try to fix what we manage in 5 minutes. And that'll wrap it up for this challenge. 5 minutes fixing up time, and that's starting right now. Okay. I'm thinking of actually adding maybe another such cymbal, and maybe also like a roll or a timpani roll or something to get into here. Let's listen to the end of the previous part and try to stitch it together. Okay, I'm feeling also some kind of a drop in energy. Maybe it's the high brass that was yeah, I think it's like the high brass. Out of time. Kind of tough staying within the exact time frame. But I think I'm more or less there. I'm trying to be lenient here. Let's listen to what we've got at the end of 30 minutes. There is obviously a lot more work to be done here on each one of these parts. The intro, I guess, sounds kind of decent, but the build-up and this main theme definitely deserve a lot more work of balancing and maybe adding in some more layers or removing stuff. That being said, for the challenge and for this musical exercise, I'm pretty happy with what's going on. There's some action going on here, and I like it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Did you compose along with me? If you did, please let me know about that in the comments as well. I'm sure also other people watching this would be interested in what anyone else has been doing. We can create a little community around this. That would be amazing. Anyhow, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, if you learned something, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. That would mean a lot to me. And you will get notified when I upload my next video, which might just be the continuation of the orchestration for this track. Until then, goodbye.